Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to send a payment request on Payoneer. Sending a payment request on Payoneer is a simple and secure way to get paid by clients, companies, or friends from anywhere in the world. With just a few taps on your phone, you can request money in different currencies, track the status of your requests, and even send reminders if needed. This makes it very convenient for freelancers, small business owners, or anyone who needs to receive payments online. First, open the Payoneer app on your phone. Now, sign into your account. You can use Face ID if your phone supports it, or enter your password to log in. Once logged in, tap on Activity to see your recent transactions and options. Next, tap on Payment Requests. This section allows you to create and manage all your payment requests. Now, tap on the plus icon at the top right corner to start a new payment request. Then, tap on Add a Contact. This is where you enter the person or company who will send you the payment. Enter the email address of your contact, then tap Next. Here, for a company, add the company details such as the name and type. You can also choose individual if you are requesting from a single person. Next, enter the first and last name of the contact. Tap on Country and select the correct country from the list, then tap Next. Now, choose your currency and enter the amount you want to request. Make sure it is correct before moving on. After that, add a description for the payment. This helps the payer understand what the request is for. Then tap on Review. Here, check all your details carefully, like the payer's name, email, and payment due date. Make sure everything is correct. Finally, tap on Request a Payment. You can also share the payment link with your contact so they can pay you directly using the link. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.